welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea, thanks for joining me today. I've got a bit of a little haul to show you today of a mishmash of things. The first thing I wanted to show you, I don't know if I've shown you these before, but I thought I'd show them anyway, is these toppers, these Mary Poppins toppers. I got these from a lady on Etsy, I think, and they're really cute. There's a set of 4. There's practically perfect in every way. Anything can happen if you let it. Don't you know that everybody's got fairyland of their own and there's the whole world at your feet. I thought these are really cute. I'm going to do a project with those. I'm not going to use them for cards. I'm going to use them for something else. And I've got a couple here, a couple more sets here that I was going to give away. So if anybody is interested in a little set, I'll post them out. I think I've got 3 sets of the 4 cards. 1, 2, let me see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another, yeah, so I've got 3 sets of the 4 cards. So I'll be happy to post them out if anybody wants them. Just comment below and the first 3 people who email me their address. In fact, yeah, comment below, but to say that you've emailed me your address, and the first 3 people who do email me their address, I'll send a little set out too if you want them. They're really cute though. You can see, really cute. So that's those. And then I got, I went to Pound Stretcher, I think it was, the other day to get some for the dog, and I found these daisies and I thought they were really cute. That one looks like it's got a little bee on it. It's not, it's a little bit of pipe cleaner or something. I thought they were so cute for Easter projects. They were only £1 for a pack. And you get, what, 20 in each pack. They're so cute. They've got little stems on the back, so you could put wire on and use them like that, or you could just cut that off and use them to put on a card, which is what I'm going to be doing with them. So they're really cute. So I just thought I'd share those. Great if you're making Easter bonnets. I used to love making Easter bonnets for my little girl and decorating eggs. So yeah, they're really nice. I like the white and I like the yellow as well. Then I got a couple of bits. I didn't want to buy anything. I couldn't help myself. I don't know if you know, but Anne Melvin used to be my upline in Stampin' Up, and after she resigned from Stampin' Up, she's on quite a few design teams, and one of the design teams, oh thank you, one of the design teams she's on is for a company called Hobby Base, and I've not really noticed Hobby Base before. I suppose I get mixed up with all the different names and whatever of these things, because there's like Craft Stash and Craft this and this. Anyway, so I just happened to have a look and at her design project, and while I was looking at it, so a couple of bits caught my eye. So I'm not buying a lot at the minute because I'm de-stashing, but sometimes I can't help it. If I see something for a specific project. I saw these googly eyes. I love googly eyes, but these have got eyelashes on and they're coloured, like with eyeshadow and stuff on them. And I just thought they were fantastic. I just loved them. They're going to be great for an Easter project that I'm going to be doing. So I've got those. I can't remember how much they were. Here's my bill. They were £1, those eyelashes. Just say a minute. Oh, you also get this when you order from Hobby Base, which are money off vouchers throughout the year. So you get £5 off in March if you spend over £30. That's quite good. Can't see that because you didn't have. The other thing I got was these stamps, Fun and Friendship, unmounted rubber stamps. This was £3, but I just loved the sentiments. I thought really good for sending out to racks and things. Not sending out to racks, they're really good for racks. Hello friend, you're the best, you brighten my day, have fun, everyone is a friend like you, and friends warm the heart. And I thought it was really, really nice. They're from Crafter's Companion. And if you've not seen unmounted stamps before, this is how they come. They're rubber stamps, and they come like that. And you can glue them onto wooden blocks or whatever you want to do. I'm obviously going to cut them out, and I'm going to just use them on acrylic blocks. I have some old acrylic blocks that I could stick them to if I want, but I'm not going to do that. I'll just use them with an acrylic block. Yeah, so there's those. And then I got some papers. I've got this gorgeous for hair decorative papers by the Paper Boutique. Just 1 second, I just want to put my bill. This was £3.99, and there's 36 sheets of 6 designs, and it's British made. And it's just these lovely lilacs, florals, lilacs and greens on white background. It's just so pretty. I wanted it for an album that I'm going to store some pictures of my mum in, so I thought that was really nice for that. So I love that. Yeah, so this one I got Fairy Tales Premium, £5.99. This one is gorgeous. It's got foiled and glittery papers, and again this is for a specific project. I love that script. I love those flowers, nice pearlescent back and front, lovely butterflies. They're all really shimmery. I don't know if you can see. They are. Little fairies, some nice sort of plain backgrounds, little butterflies. It's just gorgeous. And then I also saw this Be Happy 6x6 pad, which is all foiled as well. And this goes with, quite a while ago now, I got a Be Happy stamp set and washi tape and some little bees embellishments, and I never got the paper. The paper had sold out. I got it from Every Craft's a Pound, I think, or Craft UK. So I was pleased to see this available. This was £4. But then I forgot that I'd ordered that from Hobby Base, and I ordered a few bits from Every Craft's a Pound. And what I did was, stupidly, forgot I'd ordered that, and I ordered it again from Every Craft's a Pound. So now I've got 3 sets because from Every Craft's a Pound this was only £1. And I mean, you can't go wrong for £1 for a paper pad like that. That is amazing. The quality of the paper is fabulous as well. So yeah, so now I've got 3 of those. I'm going to have a look through my bits and bobs and see if I can put a few bits together to give away in that range, because I'm not sure if I've got another stamp set or not. In that range as well, I did get, I'll definitely put something together. I got the Be Happy dies to go with the stamp sets that I already got. So I'll probably give one of those away with one of the paper pads, and I'm going to have a look through my stuff. I'll probably do a giveaway on my Facebook page, which is Crafty Little Paper Things. I'll link that below, so you can go and follow that and keep an eye out. So I'm just going to see. I think I might have 2 of the stamp sets, and I might have 2 of the washi packs. Anyway, I'm just going to have a look and see what I've got. So yeah, so they're really cute. You've got the Be Happy cutout, the hive flowers, and the hexagon, the honeycomb, the hexagon. The other thing I got in that range that I didn't get before was the gems. So there's pink and the yellow. So I'll also give away sort of half a pack of those with that. So keep an eye out, as I said. Something else I got was these Couture du Jour doilies from Dovecraft. You get 30 doilies in the pack. And these were £1. Everything was £1 here anyway. So these are really nice. I like them because they're quite large. The doilies I've got are really small. They're Stampin' Up ones. And then I've even got the really small glimmer shimmery ones. And these come in 3 colours. So that'll go nice, quite nice with pool party. That'll go nice with Flirty Flamingo or Pink Pirouette. And this will go nice with crumb cake or something. So yeah, they're really nice. You get 10 of each. So I'll use those. Definitely want to use those in a project as well. I was thinking that some of them will probably go quite nicely with this paper. And the pink might go, yeah, I think the pink will go alongside this paper as well. So that's what that's for. Then I also got these little dies. I haven't got a dragonfly die and I don't really use them very often. I didn't want a full set. And I saw these just for £1 with a little flower, the leaf, the other flower, a little butterfly, not that I need any more butterfly dies, and a dragonfly die. So I got that because I thought that would be quite useful to use. I'm doing some spring and summer nature projects. And then I got 2 of these because I'm doing a specific project for this. This is like a holiday photo album I'm making. And these are Beach Life by Helt's Couple Ditch. I love Helt's Couple Ditch, just so cute. Their designs. Just going to open this one because I've already opened this one. And I got 2 packs because they're only £1 and I thought I'll probably need, oh, it's quite a big album I'm planning on doing, so I thought I'd probably need more than 1 pack. And again, there's 4 glitter designs in this. You've got that gorgeous, just lovely stripy background. It's beautiful, lovely colours. Again, if you're looking at coordinating with some of your Stampin' Up stuff, you know, your Daffodil Delight, Balmy Blue, that one would probably go even nicer with Melon Mambo. This one would go nice with Granny Apple Green. So you can match those up with your Stampin' Up stuff. These lovely little beach huts, love it. Absolutely love it. It'll be great for running around the edges of pages. The buckets and spades, just lovely. And we've got just a nice ditzy background. Then we've got these which are glittered. The bunting all blowing in the wind. Anyone who lives by the sea knows that it can get quite choppy. Little cute animals all sitting on their deck chairs. Just really pretty. Look at that. It's a lovely background paper. So, yeah, the glittery shells, the lovely green boardwalk. Again, a fantastic background paper. And I think you get 4 sheets of each of this. Gorgeous glittered ice lollies, ice creams, sandcastle making, just gorgeous for a little holiday scrapbook. And then the life belts, and that's glittered as well. So I got those. I got 2 of those, like I said, for £1. And then the last thing I got, I think, just looking around what I've got out on my desk. The last thing I got was, I've been wanting some for a while, and I saw them on Every Cross £1, and I think they were £4. Was these X-Cut tweezers, and you get 2 sets in a pack. You get the normal tweezers, you squeeze together. They've got a nice soft grip. They've got a hole there so you can hang them if you've got a pegboard. Just really handy. And they're just the normal scissors, but got a really, really fine tip. So they'll be really useful when, look, that's a really, really, really fine tip. Useful for putting embellishments and stuff on. And then this angled set, which will be fab for positioning things, and these are the opposite way around, so you squeeze to open those, release to close. And they're the same. They've got the little logo, little hole if you want to hang them, and the nice soft rubber. I think they were £4 or £4.99, I'm not sure. But yeah, they're really going to come in handy. I've needed some of them for ages. So that's it. I think that's my haul. Yeah, so if you want to check out on my Craft Little Paper Things Facebook, I'll put something about the Be Happy little set that I'm going to put together. It might just have the dies, the paper and some of these, because I'm not sure what I've actually got already. But I'll find out. I have a feeling that I did get a couple of sets of things. So look out for that. I'll get that sorted out next week. So that's it. So thanks for joining me, and happy shopping if you're out shopping for stuff today or this weekend. I know a couple of people that are at fairs this weekend. So I'm sure there's going to be lots of ka-chinging going on as people can't resist things. And hopefully just showing you these gives you an idea of what they're like in real life. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.